Hi, student survey. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this. It's very simple. You take it like a quiz, but there's no wrong answer. It gives me a chance just to get to know you a little bit better. So it's a very good thing. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll see student survey. And when you begin that survey, you'll have just a few questions. I ask you what part of the world you're in, not even country, just the area. And how often do you speak English? And please be honest about this. I really don't care if you speak English a lot, a little, or almost none at all. It asks you a percentage, like 10% of your life, 50% of the time when you're speaking, something like that. So just give it your best honest answer. And then I ask you, why? Why do you want to improve your English communication skill, and what is your goal? So when you look at that, I give you a bunch of options and just answer that the best you can. And then the last question is just a survey of mine, just to kind of see where you're at with things. So go ahead and answer that and have a good time. Okay, here we are at the Lesson 1 page. You can see it says Lesson 1 here at the top. And this is where the video is, the welcome video. Oh, I guess it will play. I wasn't sure, but you know that's how it starts. Hopefully you already watched that. So I'm just going to pause it.
Hello.
Whoops, there we go. Pause that. I'm going to scroll down. This is the text for the Lesson 1 video. And then here at the bottom it says, now take the student survey and the Lesson 1 quiz. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. There's also a new identity assignment. Right now I'm just going to talk about the student survey, okay? So we need to go there right now. And the student survey is in the assignment area. I put below here because it is listed here below. But for all assignments, the way to get there is to go to Assessment. See right here, Assessment, and then Assignments. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. And it says, oh, assignments, yay. There are 2 assignments. The first one here is Student Survey. Okay, that's the one I'm talking about right now. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and it says some things about points. Don't worry about that. Even the duration, the dates may look strange to you. Don't worry about the dates or the gateway. This is just a survey. There are no wrong answers, so we don't need to worry about that. And right here it says Take Survey. So I'm going to click on that. And here we are at the survey. It says survey right here. And here are the questions. Now there's only 4 of them. The first one here, where do you live? So I'm not asking what country. I just want to know what part of the world you're in. If you're in South America, if you're in South Asia, East Asia, just check one of these they're actually radio buttons, or you can just look at them as circles. Anyway, let's look at number 2. How often do you speak English in your life? And I say be honest. So if you think you speak English maybe 5% of your life, then check that circle. Okay, if it's never, almost never, that's fine. Remember, it's more important for you to be honest. And if you're not sure, think about this for a second and really provide an honest answer here. That way I can learn about you and I can hopefully help you more. Number 3, here we have why do you want to improve your English communication skill? What is your goal? It's very important to acknowledge why you are working on English. Why do you want to do it? Now, of course, there can be many reasons. Or maybe there are just a few reasons, maybe only two, maybe only one. But we need to have a goal. It's very important that you have a goal. So I put some options here. There's not many. For career, job opportunities, for school, making friends, for traveling, purely for educational purposes, to understand movies in English, or it's just a hobby. Now, I put just select one. Okay, so select the best answer, whatever is closest to you. Maybe your exact answer isn't here, but click the one that is closest to your goal. And then number 4 here, what is involved when a person learns an accent, changes pronunciation, or relearns almost anything. So you can select more than one here, okay? What is involved when a person learns an accent? That means, working on pronunciation. So of all of these, which ones are you going to check? Now, I'm not going to go through them right now, and I just want you to do the best you can with it. Don't worry about getting something wrong. Just try to be honest about it. And when you're done, click this submit button at the bottom. Okay, there is the student survey, and I hope you have a good time with it.